everybody, look at this little kitty fairy. It's so cute. I use it as a bag accessory. So if you want to know how to make it, watch my video. You will need pink yarn, a pom-pom maker, scissors, a pink nose, and black eyes. Folds in black, green, pink, yellow, white, and light pink. A green wire, 2 little white pom-poms, and hot glue. Wrap the yarn around the pom-pom maker to make the pom-pom. Cut in the middle. Cut a string and attach it tightly. Open the pom-pom maker. And give your pom-pom a haircut. So cute! Draw 2 triangles for the ears. And 2 more for the inside of the ears. Glue them together. And glue the ears to the pom-pom. Draw some green leaves. Yellow and white flowers. Glue them together. And to the pom-pom. Cut the wire into 2 pieces and attach the pom-poms for the antennas. Glue them to Kitty Fairy's head. Here are the eyes. Cut 4 pieces of black felt for the eyelashes. Glue them to the back of the eye. Here you go. Glue the eyes to the head. And finally the nose. Here's the final result. This is optional, but I attached my kitty fairy to a ring. Cut off the strings. And here you go. So adorable. I like to attach mine to my backpack. Time to go, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.